welcome back to my channel, Sharp Designs by Lakeisha, where I am designing my way through life and inspiring you to do the same. Another day, another load of stuff. Got Babe helping me today. Dakota had to come with us. She's back here sleeping. I'm setting up Boxwood Hedge with balloons, floral balloon garland for a church function at a church here in Atlanta. So I'm gonna bring you guys while I set up and see what else we're gonna get into for the rest of the day. This is gonna be Babe's last setup with me. He leaves for Seattle tomorrow. Aren't you sad? But yeah, just wanted to go ahead and get this check-in done. And if you have not subscribed, go ahead and do so down below. And make sure you turn on your post notifications so that you do not miss an upload from me. See you guys inside. So I came today, I blew up these 2 bags of balloons to get me started, but because I didn't have a U-Haul, I didn't want to blow up too much stuff. There's Dakota, there's my floral that's I'm gonna do for my the base of the balloon garland. Over here in this box is where I have all of my balloons, my pump and everything, and I'm going to be setting up right over here in this area. Alright, so we got the balloon garland, not the balloon garland, we got the Boxwood Hedge hung up where it's supposed to be, and I'm trying something different today. So I'm going to do the balloons with flowers. So we're going to see how this comes out. So far, to get me started, I have these 2 bags of balloons here that I showed you guys earlier. So I'm going to start emptying those and blowing those up to get my garland started. What you trying to do, boo? So I've got all my balloons blown up that I think I'm going to need. If I need more, I can always blow them up. I always have extras. It's smart to always have extras just in case you need more. And so I have my fishing line. And now I'm gonna go ahead and start stringing them so that I can get my garland. Alright, so I just finished hanging up, or finished stringing my first piece. I'm going to go ahead and attach it to the top so that I can know where to stop at when I'm coming down, and I'll fill it in on the wall this time. Was go ahead and hang my top piece. I do still have some filling in to do because it isn't exactly how I want it. And then I just left the string hanging here, if you guys can see it. And I'm going to work my way down because I do have the floral arrangement that's going to be at the bottom. So I want to make sure I stop at a good point. And so once I finish with the rest of that, I'm going to fill in the top with all the other stuff that I have. far. I think I want to do some coming down this side of the balloons, and I'm going to do that off camera so my battery doesn't die, and I can show you guys what the final results look like. So I am almost done, guys. I'm just about to hang this cute sign that says Lemon Bliss, which is the theme. So I am all done, guys, and I really love how it came out. It is after 9 o'clock now. We're about to go to Funk Fest. That's what it's called, right? Funk Fest. So we're about to have all the old school, not old school, there. What was going on when we was in school? We getting a Yeti ready with drinks and stuff, because you can bring your own food and drinks to Wolf Creek. So yeah, that's what we about to do. So we will check back in with y'all once we get there. We're waiting on an Uber right now, so we'll see y'all in a bit. Just made it. We are very late. Started at like 7. It's like 9:30 now. We're gonna find our friends and enjoy.
Cause I'm coming for you. Ride dirty down 85, slow, taking it easy. I don't want nothing to keep me from you. Oh.
It just got rained down. Oh my god, it is pouring down, and we literally ran to the car. Woo! Hey guys, so I'm back. We're dropping off Babe to the airport. He's leaving us. Coda, Dada's going bye-bye. Dada's going bye-bye. Aww. Yeah, Dada going bye-bye. So Dada bye-bye? She don't understand what's going on.
You just wake up every morning. Where's Dada?
I'm gonna say Dada at work.
See you later, Poo-Poo. I'll see you later.
She looking like, why you at, mommy? Get out the car. Bye, Coda. Got your stuff? Alrighty, we'll see you on Friday. Have a safe flight. Tell the vlog bye.
Bye, vlog.
Alright, now mommy has to drive us, and we're kind of stuck over here. Or you are not about to block me. I'll see y'all in a second. Let me get up out of here. Hey guys, so it is Monday, the Friday after I set up the backdrop, and I've come to pick it up, and she survived. It's been It's been Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and today is Monday, and she's all still in place and put together. Dakota is here with me to help me get everything. Say hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
And everything is still gorgeous and pretty. Guys, so we're gonna end this vlog. We're having a quick lunch before we head home. You want some lemonade? And we will see you guys on the next vlog.